Hello guys, greetings and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Martin from Email Bouncer, and today in this lesson we'll learn how to create or set up Yahoo SMTP server for sending emails. So if you've been looking for a way to send emails or do email marketing using Yahoo's SMTP server, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can successfully create your Yahoo SMTP server using a free Yahoo email account. So to get started, you need to log into your Yahoo email account. And once you've logged in, we'll have to create our SMTP password. That's the very first step, because without an SMTP password, you cannot send out emails using Yahoo's SMTP. So to create the Yahoo SMTP password, you simply log in and click on the profile picture icon to the far right-hand corner. When you log into your Yahoo email account, you click on it and you go to manage your account to access the SMTP password setup column. So once you click on that option, it's going to redirect you to this page right here, where you might have to log into your Yahoo email account as shown on my screen here. So I'm going to try to log in again. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, I just have to click on security and I'll go to external connections, and then I'll click on app passwords. So here you click on create app password, and then you have to give your app password a name before you generate it. So in my case, I'm going to say test or SMTP test, and then I click on generate password. So once you've generated your app password, ensure you copy and save it somewhere safe that you can access it at a later date. So I'm going to delete this previous one that I created some days back, and I'll paste my new app password right here and head back to the app password page and click on done. So now that we have created our Yahoo SMTP app password, it's time for us to test our Yahoo SMTP credentials to ensure that it's working properly before connecting the SMTP to our third-party email application to test the SMTP settings. You can go open a new tab on your browser and search for SMTP tester. There are a whole lot of them and you could use any one at all. So I either love using Gmail or Zoho, and for today's test, I'm going to be using Zoho, and I already have the Zoho test tool opened up in a new page here. So we'll have to just fill in our SMTP credentials before clicking on the start test button here. So let's head over to this Google Doc where I saved Yahoo's SMTP settings, and the SMTP server, which is also the host name, is smtp.mail.yahoo.com. So I'm going to copy and head back to the Zoho test tool, and I'll paste paste it right here in the SMTP server box. And for port, let's use port 587 and protocol TLS. So port 587 and the security protocol is TLS. And for the username, it has to be your Yahoo email address. And in my case, my Yahoo email address is mgerard96@yahoo.com, and the from email address should match the username as well. So I'll just copy my Yahoo email address and paste here, and the from name, I could say, okay, Martin from Email Bouncer, and the to email address, we'll get to that point, but now let's just have our app password. We'll have to paste our Yahoo SMTP app password in this box here. So let's head back to Google Doc, and I'll copy my app password and I'll paste it in here. And now we need a tool email address. We need an address to receive the test email. And you could use any of your free email accounts at all. You just need something to receive the test email from Yahoo SMTP tester tool. But in my case, I love using this free temporary email generator tool, which is temp-emails.org. So you could also use it as well. So I'm just going to copy and open it up in a new tab on my browser. So the right URL is temp-emails.org, yeah. And here I just have to complete the captcha challenge to prove that I'm not a robot. And then I can choose to create a custom temporary disposable email address by providing the username and selecting the domain, or I just use the random feature to have a random temporary email address generated for me. So let's go for the random feature. So this is my temporary email address. I'm going to copy and head back to the Yahoo SMTP test tool and paste it in here. And now that we're good to go, let's just double check. Okay, check, SMTP server check, port check, security check, username check, password check, from email address check, to email address check, and from name is optional check as well. Then I click on the start test button. Okay, you can see test is in progress and we'll receive a notification. Okay, text successfully sent, so the test email has been sent. Now let's head back to temp emails to check and see if we received any email from our Yahoo SMTP tester tool. It might take some time, up to 2 minutes in some cases, because Yahoo's SMTP is pretty slow with sending verification emails from my experience. So you might just have to wait a little while. So let's click on refresh. So we just have to be patient. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to send bulk emails using Yahoo SMTP server, we have a free course on this, on how to send bulk emails using Yahoo SMTP server. Even if Yahoo has a known limitation, you can only send up to 500 emails per day from a single Yahoo account. But if you want to learn how to send more than 500 emails per day using Yahoo SMTP, then head over to Email Bouncer Academy, click on our courses, and enroll for our Yahoo SMTP setup masterclass, where you learn how to send bulk emails using Yahoo SMTP. This is a free course and you don't have to pay. You can also try out our Gmail SMTP setup masterclass. And if you need something better, like you want an SMTP server that can send bulk emails without restrictions, then head over to our SMTP server category courses and enroll for any of those courses. Either this one or this one, you learn how to set up SMTP servers with a dedicated IP and send up to 50,000 emails per day. So now let's head back to temp emails to see if our verification email has arrived. Okay, we're still waiting for it. We might just have to wait a little while. Like I said, it's going to take a whole lot of time. Sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. It's a bug or it's a known feature from Yahoo. So let's just exercise a little bit of patience. Awesome. So as you can see, our verification email or our test email arrived from Zeptomail. So this is how you can create your own Yahoo SMTP server and send bulk emails with it. And you'll find, if you're looking for a link to this course, for the free Yahoo SMTP course, you'll find it in the description of this video. And don't forget to click on the like button, share, and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.